So we're out to see what's the result of the snow after a few days. And this is the result. And as a result of the snowstorm, garbage pickup is delayed. And you can see it's recycle time. A day wasn't picked up because you have recycled and garbage, regular garbage. And so this is the result.
Yeah, the garbage mountain rivals with the snow mountains. Also over here, as you notice by looking at these mounds of snow, we don't clean. We just push it from the point A to point B, hoping for this thing to melt on its own. And often it does, but with this much accumulation and the weather still on the cold side.
Maybe springtime it will melt away.
Yeah, see you back by April or something.
Well, we have a few days of warm weather, and then they say it's going to get cold again by the weekend or early next week.
Yeah.
Which is a few days. So I'm not sure. I don't think it will be melting.
No, it doesn't look like it. Yeah.
I didn't mean it. I'm sorry. I apologize.
Wine and liquor. I don't think she needs any more wine or any more liquor.
Yep. Not this morning.
She's digging out. He wants to have a clean space to walk. They don't care about digging out anymore. The sun has to come and help.
Yeah.
Or the sanitation.
Yeah, sanitation.
Because they say coming Sunday, today's Friday, they say come Sunday, it's the last for no alternate parking. Free parking.
Yeah.
You have to pay the meter. So next week they're going to start alternate side parking. So you have to move your vehicle. So maybe then they'll clean the place.
Yeah, they pretty much forcing people to do their job for them. It's not a first time. And then if you don't do it, they penalize you. It's a lovely racket.
Well, you have 4 hours after the last snowflake to fall to clean. If you're a homeowner or builder. To clear this snow out of here.
This one is a big one.
Whoa.
It's a big one.
Wow. That's a parking spot.
Yeah. And that's the next one over there.
And that sanitation looking expected.
It's a big one.
Oh, there is snow, snow, snow. It's coming down, 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 and it is falling, falling all around, round, round. And you can tell it's on its way, way. Yes. Oh, there is snow, snow, snow. It's coming down, 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 and it is falling, falling all around, round.
It's a piece of art. Modern art, of course. And that's a Verrazano bridge. So we're going to Staples to print something special.
Yeah, they make sure to warn you. Customers only.
Only.
Don't try to get parking spot in this Staples. Nice guy in the Staples to help us to print out stuff.
Yeah. Warning, people. Warning.
It's different.
Yeah. We're gonna run on donkeys too. That's me. That's what? What are you getting?
Fattening stuff, donuts. They didn't have much of a variety.
Oh yeah.
Maybe they're making more. I don't know. But choose what they had.
Okay.
I haven't had a donut in a long time.
Good. You gonna eat them all?
Of course not.
Oh, look at that. How nice it is. Little fontaine in the middle of the ice and snow. It's the Himalayas. It's a beautiful sun reflection. Beautiful.
You notice they're avoiding the snow.
Yeah, they are.
It's like
avoiding.
they were dropped on that piece of soil.
Well, they eat something over there. They probably can't find it. And
Yeah, it just look funny like.
so this is golf club, by the
Oh, there
way.
you go, walking
So
on the snow.
yeah, they playing golf and pooping on the golf. Wonder who's cleaning this book.
Yeah, they were moving.
Yeah.
Will we take it?